Hello, it's Friday the 26th of January 2018, and in this video I'm going to show you a chart to help you pick some winning Euromillions numbers for tonight's draw, which also includes hot picks, Euromillions hot picks. So this is the chart for the Euromillions at the moment. Now, if we just look at the star numbers, since the numbers went up to 12, this is what the chart looks like. So, most recently drawn numbers were 7 and 8. Least frequently drawn numbers 6 and 12. Most frequently drawn numbers 3 and 9. And the most overdue are 5 and 11. So best ones to go for, well, probably number 5, because it's most overdue, and number 9 because it's the most overdue out of the two most frequent numbers. Now if we look at a chart for star number 5, it seems like number 9's on the edge of that chart. Chart for number 9. You can see there's number 5, but 11 looks quite outstanding on that one. So anyway, that's the star numbers. Now let's look at the main numbers. Now this is a chart for the main numbers, only going back as far as when the number of star numbers went up to 12. So you can see the three most outstanding numbers quite clearly outstanding on this chart. You can see 47 is most overdue. Most frequent is number 20, and the one that's most overdue for its frequency is number 27. So what I'm going to be doing is putting a 1 number hot pick on number 27. Now for a 2 number hot pick, first of all I'm going to increase the range to just back as far as when the numbers went up to 11 star numbers. And you can see clearly 27 definitely closest to that top corner. So now I'm going to look at numbers paired with 27, and whenever I do that, it's always quite obvious that number 16 is most overdue to occur with 27, because it is actually the most overdue pair at the moment on the Euromillions. So these two numbers have only come out together once before, and that was in draw number 12, and we're now up to, I think it's draw 1079. So that's my 2 number hot pick. So for a 3 number hot pick, I need a number that goes well with 27 and 16. So let's see what is most frequent with 27. Got 7 and 9, 22, and some other numbers on the edge of the chart. Let's see if any of them are the same with number 16. And this is looking at the full chart history. So that's the chart for 16. That's the chart for 27. I'm looking for numbers that are outstanding on both the charts. Okay, looks like number 44, or actually no, number 6. Number 6 seems to be not the most outstanding, but because it's sort of most overdue with 16. Apart from 27, of course, which is right up there. And it's also quite frequent and just sort of in the middle of the chart with 27. So, for a 3 number up pick, I might have those 3. There's another way we could go. Obviously, there's 27. Got 50, which is always most frequent. 47 most overdue. So you could start with 47 and then go for 28 with 47, because that's very outstanding with that one. And then if you're having those 2, then maybe 44 or something like that. So anyway, those are just some ideas for you to consider when you're picking your numbers for tonight's Euromillions. So this is what the chart for the full history looks like. These are the main numbers, so you can see where they are on that chart. So hopefully that'll help you to pick winning numbers for tonight's draw. So that concludes this video. So subscribe for the next one, and bye for now.